Hello guys, welcome to PFS Films where we producing our movie called My Crazy Ex-Girlfriend. Please guys to share, leave a comment, subscribe and support us along the journey. And also we'll be giving away a flat screen TV to anyone who's going to win this when the entire films get to 20k subscribers. So continue guys on our journey and see what our next upcoming movie is all about. Thank you. Ashley, just make glad we come up here and spend a holiday with you. Papa, you're just boring so.
I'm really glad to see you come because really and truly most of the time me dey here me boring because remember say my boyfriend just go and come in and he not really stay here. So me don't want the company. That's why me even get a big bed to show you say me really appreciate the company. Yeah, because I'm alone there in a big old house.
Most time?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah, because my boyfriend only come when I want him. Or when he want me just come over. That's how we do it, we not stay here.
I never know.
So when me get the call, I hear say I come, me feel good because me I say, yeah man, company at last.
A long time. I didn't want to come up here still. Every minute my mother said, no, you're not going up there.
You know say, once you call me and tell me say you want to come, no problem because me and your first cousin. And plus tax, we almost the same age and call, you're nice, you're not nasty or nothing.
That's not true. Because you know, so me help clean up and thing. Don't worry about that, man.
The place good for the place. I told you there and the place clean. If I did even me and somebody else there, the place would nasty. Because when I time did have one friend who come stay with me. Oh my god. I worst thing ever said to her to come stay with me. She wake up, she not pray the bed, she eat, she not wash her plate. So me just make her go on.
But you know what? Let's take a look at walk about around the place.
Yeah man, you can go walk and get to know a place.
Alright.
Me I cook some food, so when you come back, me cook.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah man. Babes, I get some last night. I'm tired, man. I'm just done being.
This one make your skin look pretty, you know? Alright. Now what I wash off and go up on the road. No my thing.
I cook you now, me cook. So make sure say you're being when you come back.
Come on, start all the phone, man.
Alright.
I love that way I put my skin. It make you look shiny and good.
Yeah, man, go and come.
So forward.
Wait. Ash. What you doing as a girl?
Between me and you, no girl, I want man me come meet you now.
Which part to find man down here so? So far I really come down here so we gonna look man.
Upon Instagram, I meet him now. And I say, we just meet up today. So, but the vibe he might show me today, I don't like it. So, I say, man, just left and just come back on my yard.
Coulda what kind of vibes you must show you so? Are you full of lives and vibes? Eh?
You want, I mean, just annoy him.
I get what you're saying, no girl. And I lie you tell. As soon as I take up their money, they just want to lay down so. They even take you out. Look at dinner, nothing. Just catch your yard so. That's it. No man. But anywho, let me come off of your topic then.
Yeah, man.
But as me I say, you know, say me no know a little surrounding around here.
You know, say, I hold me there, but I can't show you around here. No.
Eh?
So, come on, I can show you.
Alright.
Come on. Why, I'm tired. Don't wait, man. I'm tired.
No, sir. But Tash, how you know about them places here?
You don't know me, girl. Me unruly. Me know everywhere. What do you?
True. But just remember say you always unruly at high school. Watch you too. You make me nice. Hello, mommy. Yeah, I'm alright. But just walk out the scheme. Mommy a big girl now, I can't stop growing myself. Yes, I'm alright, me can take care of myself. I'm a good man. I have local company I walk on the road, I don't me alone. Yes, a good people them man. Alright. Me tell her when me reach up. Alright.
I say, your mother strict.
Yeah, girl.
So come on, can you continue?
Why? I'm tired. No, man.
I'm long journey, go, man.
But anywho, you know, say my cousin I cook. I'm going to make a long journey go back over.
Alright.
So your number change?
You know, say change see my number 355
Mm-hmm.
2652.
Alright.
Yeah. I know say I see where we are go back, but me I reach before you do it. Yeah.
Oh boy. Jesus. Ashley, I'm tired as the girl.
How where you come from tired so?
You know, say I want to look walk out, me go take. I know, say me go down to Mr. Brown shop. And me I say, Why this man always had this saying and shop and they don't taste it? What of them steal like a wa? I want to go long walk with the go for ya man.
At least I take a little walk, one long walk. I'll be able to cook right now.
So baby love, how are you cook?
You forget it today Sunday, no much rice and peas and chicken me I cook. You want some?
Yeah girl, you know how long me there ask me want look food for eat. Thank God that they cook.
We are cousin, and we practically live here. So you no must have to get food. The food soon don't cook still, so you can't sit down this and get.
You know, so me I mad somebody, but anyway, when the food don't cook, you can call me and tell me, yeah?
Alright.
Alright.
Yes. One pasta and
Yeah man, sugar on our room.
what? You smell good.
Thanks.
How are this? Chicken you cook for a start.
Babes,
That's gonna
see
be.
your bed over there so I can cut up your now for you cook.
Okay. It's still
You know, say I have a lot man. I think some could have cook chicken alone and you not eat chicken.
rice and peas.
Yes, the rice and peas.
Whoa! Alright, when you're done, come hungry, you know.
Alright, yeah, we'll find you.
Let's see, that's a cool.
What going girl? You know, so me there. Yeah, me just walk up, me could sell down and come from down a Mr. Brown shop. Which river? Girl, you see the rain does fall. Turn your yard. Which river in the daytime you want to go river? Tomorrow we can't go, man. It better because the time is so late. Alright. Yeah. But anywho, later, cause my sister cooking and right now me tired. Cool. Alright. Cause,
Eh?
can I ask you a question?
What then?
How you know when you're in love?
Cause it's just a slight feeling I get in your heart. You know when your body just start tingle, everything start changing, I see that person. You feel that little feeling there in your chest start tighten up. That's love.
Oh, now me understand. You know, say, it's been a long time. You know, say, in a primary school, we used to love this boy, you know. And we used to play every day and have this tight conversation. We do work together, everything together. Let me tell you something. It was the one time the boy turned really fall in love with him. But me never know to express my feeling. True, me just did too fool.
Listen, I'm telling you something. It's when you find love, don't let it go. You're running the hand out the feet there.
So Ashley, suppose that love really break me.
Well, you must know, you know. You must know if you break your butt. You try find that, you try to put all up there and don't make it running fine.
I would take her advice.
So come here. I want to fall in love with you now.
Ashley, you know, still not find nobody. We just want to understand the reality about life and what is love.
Alright, that's good. Food soon don't cook anyway.
Alright, when I'm really finished, call me back then.
Alright.
Thank you.
She will give me a no. Yellow. Oh, yeah. Me I come right now. Me name remember, you know. I never remember cause me have to go. Me have to go. It's urgent.
Alright.
Oh yeah, do bathroom I use.
Yeah, me a bathroom.
Boy, I love bathrooms. So alright, me have to go pick up 3 t-shirts when me I come back.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah, they are left out, you know.
Time boring, sir. You call Tash. Tash,
Hello. How is this?
a shots man.
Oh, what one girl?
Me there, you know, me there just in the house boring.
Mm.
Now we can have a fun time and company.
You know, so time hot, we don't want to go to the river, you want to come?
But try reach it before me, you know.
Yeah, man.
But hold on the Tash. Me don't know exactly where you are talk.
Alright, so meet me same spot where we meet up last time.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Boy.
Shads.
What's she doing?
Tash,
What one?
where are we as I leave your phone?
Last time I always come phone on the road, then TC. So me rather make me call and whatever me I do on my phone when me in the yard. Then me carry me then TC one next time. This time.
Alright, so come lead the way.
Come on. Reach an house, you know?
No man, this is a journey afar.
Yeah, we reach. Now we reach.
No, sir.
I don't know about you, but me have when I walk, you know. Maybe what my bottom, maybe not. But I'm going on. May not drop there.
I feel like my skin a
If
crack.
you drop me, I laugh. Alright. I say water cool. You like to go to park? No, sir, because of
Here, sir.
I run some near me, you know. Come.
So I have to come up here.
Enjoy yourself, man. I'm not really too much of yourself, you know.
Wow. You pretty girl.
For me?
No, not you. She.
Me?
Yes, can we have any spare time? You don't come from boy.
No, I'm new to this place.
You know what I'll swim. Are you sister?
No, man, I'm a friend.
Oh. Hello.
Hi.
You look hungry though.
You like to worry about?
Anyway, you know that pass there pass through. Come here with phone call up on the river.
Oh, you live around here?
Yeah man, we live nearby hook there. Well anyway, so we can get a number, we check my number and talk a lot and you know, get to know each other.
I would take your number and I would text you. Alright.
363
Okay.
69
Mm-hmm.
16.
Alright.
Yeah.
I will text you.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Take care of me, you know.
I'll send him a picnic.
They're your friend. Alright, yeah.
Alright, bye-bye. But anyway, Tash, you know it?
No.
Really? At first I see him on the surrounding.
I don't know.
Oh.
Well, you know, so me know him not as in like that, but we see him pass.
Before.
I don't know about him though.
You seem like a nice person still.
I don't know. Yeah, I have it. Now you give him number, so I have it, you know. Get to
But
know
me,
him.
I have to ask you, because you know, I'm not used to this surrounding.
That's the thing, you know, you see it, but you will give out a number.
Oh, nothing wrong if you have a little conversation.
Depends on who still.
That's not true. Not everybody have to communicate with.
Well, the water no up me tour them the beautiful toes. So
Right now, me cool.
yeah, go on, come on. Man, don't drop the car, they're very slippery when they're wet. Alright. Oh, you know, take your phone, think you would have easy.
Really?
Drop me a minute now.
Tash, we are palming now.
Come now.
Ashley. Oh, Jesus, you know, I come from the river.
Tell me all about it.
I met somebody today, no?
That's good.
Me and my friend and we go down there. It was kind of having a nice conversation and everything. And I meet this man and he seemed like a very nice person. So we exchanged number and so forth. But I'm trying to convince myself if should I have this really conversation with him.
Well, one thing we can tell you, Shad, follow your heart. Because when you follow your heart, you will find love. You see, this time at the age where you be, it's good for you find somebody now than you have nobody. You understand what I say?
That is true. Maybe I show mommy grow me still strict and everything. But me I take me little time out and enjoy myself, you know?
So what this guy name? You get his name?
Yeah. Him name Jay.
Jay. Never heard of him. So I say I like him?
Kinda.
Alright then. Me not see nothing bad. So guess what? When you're gonna meet him again, you'll see him again around.
Maybe. Me think about that.
You take your number?
Yeah, I have it in my phone still.
Good. Because remember something tell us, you know come far down here. I mean I go rush out to get a relationship quick, but me I tell you say you must find somebody. Just like how me have my husband. Me I'm not really married, but me have him as my husband because I love him like that. So I see him somewhere I find somebody and be happy too.
Alright, me see how it go.
But one thing going on, make sure that this J person I have no woman, you know. And make sure him take it serious. You understand? Because I don't want nobody hurt my cousin.
Adapt me there pre. Cause me I look at it. You see how man tan nowadays? It's dreadful, brother.
And if you talk about woman nowadays, then we have 10 women and want 5 more. You don't understand how they come so.
Some of them all have baby mother that tell lie on road.
Some of them, it baby just born. They for 1 week and they out the road and look at that woman. And then before they go stay with their baby mother. So man wicked nowadays. Woman wicked too, but you have to be careful, man. Cause look how you're nice and sweet. They will take you for idiot and use you. Me don't want that.
Well, that's true. Too much things are going on in reality right now. You can't afford for just lose focus, you see me?
Keep your head on your body. You know what? Me say follow your heart, but also follow your mind too. You see, if your mind said or your gut said this not feel right, you go away. You understand? Because your heart too soft, you know. So your heart, remember say you love in your heart, you know. So you will love a person, but your mind I tell you say you must leave. You follow your mind too. You hear?
Alright, I'll take a look at advice there. But for a while, I just see what it work out.
And next time you have to worry about you must can invite your cousin. Because I want to meet their friend here too.
No problem.
Alright.
Alright. Well, go on, Ashley.
They know I'm taking some video about TikTok.
Ashley, you remember the person when tell us to meet at the river? You know, say invite me over here. I mean, I wonder, I tell you before I go.
So let me ask you a question. You know where you live?
Well, you send me location per WhatsApp, so me find my way, man.
One more thing do before you go. You sure say you not call him a call if he kill you?
Ashley, as I did tell me before, you always say me to follow my instinct and my heart. I'm sure no say nothing to do me.
Alright, so you plan today? You plan to sleep over there tonight?
No, Ashley, come on, I do that to myself and just throw to myself and go on people yard, so me I'll come back home, man. Just let the door open for me.
Alright, just get it. You left the door open for you, man.
Alright, no problem.
So
Me
I'm
I'm calling you now.
Yeah, man.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Who that?
Shad.
Oh! Oh, but they left you go at home.
What going, Jay?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, man.
Alright, this time we'll go home look.
So you still live?
The one we can't be there. What time location good, man?
They look nice, man. See, have a look at Bible.
You have to read, you know, read the Psalms.
So what going?
And the second, like, it is this, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. There is no other commandment.
Wait, no, Bible.
Yeah, man. You can't sit down still, man.
Alright.
So, your cousin knows say come over, right?
Yeah, no, some come over, man. She don't hear that, she alright.
Yeah, me I said, boy, better me ask somebody over, because my last girlfriend wasn't pretty.
So what happened?
If me go to the toilet, she never come in.
How fart?
If me even in the kitchen, I cook, she be there.
I was so?
If me even get good day at work, she will palm across the road.
I saw she a one?
She crazy, man.
No man, she has security.
And she be very... Sometimes I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. One day I have a friend them go out party, you know, and have the two that we know, a she that and like that we know table. Me don't know she reach out of it.
No, over me. How this?
But I think I said me done.
Look here. When you say that, me not take that person, isn't it? Every time we live with them, okay, you know, see how we that.
No, but I'm tired of them puppy game there.
Girls are Ashidis. Say me in a pen for me about Ashidis.
Why
you come with
let me
an
ask you a
attitude
question.
promise?
Why every year I move go?
Oh, so me ask you a question. So you have a girl aside this me, not true?
We just know the girl. Why you call her a girl?
Me no business.
Respect
Because
her.
she's a girl. Baby love. If ever things on here.
And
pop
you
down
know
on
what,
things.
Jay? You know what? Me not in the mix up.
listen.
Me not in the mix up. Yeah, your woman can sort out this thing. Me not in the mix up. Sorry, but you call card.
Look at you.
Excuse me, not time
Yeah,
for
you
you.
done. Yeah, you done.
Yeah, make me so stop, no man.
Why you have to follow me?
I just stop and come there, but I'm gonna lie down and sleep and talk about things.
Listen, you can't follow me up. Every time you follow
Why me can't follow you? Me ain't there.
No, we left.
No, me not take that.
Me want to hear me can't get it.
If I want you to turn on the fan, get like a breeze.
Me get a chip to fly out. You tear up my ticket.
Me-
And my passport.
No, because y'all run and play out left me. You know how to go look no woman. Me have to be there behind of you. And you know that.
Me get a 3-month contract to go work. To make money, you know what money?
Oh, work,
You
work.
think, well, let me ask you a question. You think love no need money?
Love can't fool my belly. Hope you can't fool yours.
No, without love, there's no money, there's no love. Because guess what? If
So when
there-
you love you,
ah,
love me.
No, I love you, but you don't understand. If me...
You never that more here say I love me, so that's
No,
why
no,
I feel
not
that.
no.
Babe, just stop one.
That they love the dead long
You have to
time.
brought me hand, you know,
You
so me
can't
have to
grow back.
experience.
That love they can't grow back. That love they stand like how and die. You know them, what you call it?
Let them over here.
You know the time battery dead?
But you can't, by the time battery did a charge it up back and you eat.
Panasonic battery cannot charge up when it dead. Once it's dead, you take your remote and dash it by a different one. That's how you
So what kind of disrespect this? Me now come out, me now come out.
You tell like a
It makes sense to call lie down my bed. Call lie down my bed with me. Come.
You see when you tell like one see that tree, you know better because when you cut the one see that tree grow back, but you know.
Alright, me can't be a cedar tree for you. You don't want that?
No.
You know somebody do anything to please, just stop no man.
No, listen.
Make sure so that you
Listen.
come back over here.
My love come with respect. My
But
love
me
come
have
with
respect for you.
my love come with space and ear. Me not get that.
Me tell you if I want space, go over there so me stay over here so you want here. Turn on the fan no brother and stop the foolishness no man.
You come like a AC. You just a float around me. Me can't escape from in my room. No matter which corner we there, me a feel you.
Because we are here dead. That's it like the relationship now.
No. Yeah, me
Look
understand.
here, look here. That's not bad with the body left.
Why do you think some man and woman hang
But then what
themselves?
we can't do without that, just stop no man.
Listen now.
Alright.
Me now, listen. The
Listen.
last man you're there with, he ball by phone because of you. Me not in that.
And
You hurt me by not giving me space. That is the
at least
hurt.
you get loyalty what more you need. You not get love and
Make
loyalty.
love to the loyalty, but
You not get respect.
no. When they respect you, man, I want to give space.
So me not give you space for a while, me just be gone so I go.
My friend them
Me
come.
never there here, me just come here. You
My
know, get
friend
enough
them
space.
there until you want to feel attention. When you know they have your attention, you put on them.
So what? They say that let fart be free, so me fart.
No.
You're not fart, you're not poop. Up now that question, you're not poop.
You can't do that. If you have come manners and respect.
Only friend of it have is me. Me no business what you want to say, is me? I just saw the situation.
No,
Yeah?
tell something. No, tell something. Tell
So
something.
we ask call me from here.
No, hold on. You know, make me walk and go reach a 10th floor. Hold on. Your love is too tight.
So enough tight.
That mash up business.
If you tell like come can hug you.
No, me get work. I'm the work. Let me on 3 o'clock and you did it 2:50. Where you do? People have to call me.
Come here and wait for you to make sure you're safe going home. Me know I feel lonely.
Me have to double shift and you sit down there. Same way. What you do? You mash up.
love.
Love me backside.
I know like say me not come to the place come support the place same way. I am.
With my money you come down, the damn hotel expensive. You can buy one beer for $10 US. Yeah, you crazy?
Yeah, did me like you know love me. I love me. That's true.
Me did love you.
What you mean did? Don't look here, no bother with it. Don't bother with it, just come.
Hey.
Alright, give me a cup, put on a cup.
No, me don't want no Isla Tanya for me. No.
Our name so.
The last time you clean up my corner, there's something to a red back around there. Name Isla, me now move here. I'm a brokey. That's how you never there. No, me move come here so. Me I make sure me check. Me I make sure me check before.
Just give me a cup and put it down for you, man.
No, you go on.
I don't want to leave, I know that. I don't want that. I just want to stay, just please. Me I beg you.
Can't take him. Can't take him.
But we can't take this here embarrassment in front of people. You make a girl come up on style with us a while ago.
She's a Christian.
Me business Christian chat so, and I go out. It makes sense when you say no to me here.
Just go on.
Put me on.
Me give you money, you go on. Me no want.
How much money have you give me? I mean, I want me no business, because I don't put money over with love. I just love.
No. You see, my love come with respect. I say we can't get respect. There's no more yes. You understand?
Look at me come out of the
Sex
yard.
is not all. I need ear. I need time to do what me I do. The 3 months where you make me miss. You know what money we lose? Couple $1 million me lose.
But none of my fault.
Maybe a Jamaican slave out myself and make it. You think a boy if you can call for $10,000 a
If
week?
you didn't know, you look about something for the two of us, you two could have fly and go over. You look about for yourself alone. I only think about yourself, you left me down to suffer, not true.
Mem-
By the time when you go up to you change your mind and nobody want to find a new girl up there.
No.
That's the reason I'm tear it
If
up.
you trust your
I
man,
mean, I regret it.
if you trust your man to go anywhere and
You
go
don't trust
and
you.
come
When you
back.
feed me up on their skin like a tick so we can...
Even the car now. And there you work in the same place. And a white girl pass and say, hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, look for
No,
that.
but that tell
Oh,
her
wait.
what is hi, hello.
Same thing. So that's the reason why me never look for nothing.
Me no want no get a call to my mom.
Well, that's
Alright,
the
talk
reason
to
you
my
better
mom.
plan. You don't need well if I staff up there.
So what you want to send me so far and you still there because you want the so-called
Yeah, though.
Christian.
You know, me have to call police. You know.
Call which police?
But go up.
Just some of the foolishness. You know, me come back tomorrow, yeah?
Hello.
Give me a
Hello.
hug now. Give me a hug now.
Look at me. Me have been an officer. Then they want a pit bull. Yeah. No bother. No bother. Sorry, sir. Sorry. I think I there the wrong number. Yeah. Okay, no problem, sir. Sorry. Alright.
Ashley, you know what take place since night, girl?
What?
When me done go down a jail, one piece of calamity and drama.
What happened?
Ex come show up and then I come call me, girl, and I come create chaos in the house. Jay just show me on the place and thing and we in just they have a good conversation, Ashley. I can't believe the disgrace of me almost put myself in a...
Jesus Christ, girl, what a lucky thing say you come back alive to. Post the ex still down there.
I hit me and say, me have to take myself and hurry up and come out because me not know mix up.
Jesus Christ, listen me. I just want me to tell you saying you have to be careful of who you pick up.
Me know what, Ashley.
Me know some tell you say if you follow your heart, but sometimes you must also follow your mind too. Because your heart can lead you astray. Sometimes you must follow your mind too, girl.
That's true.
Me just glad to nothing of you still.
What Not true still. Me just happy to me come back home still, you know, and everything.
So a girl, what girl do? She no care nothing.
No, she come up in my face and I come cuss. Like say, me ready for intervene in everything XYZ. Fear pass is fear pass. Right?
So as an ex, what she do her ex yard?
I don't know.
Well, that's strange. Anyway, as we say, I'm glad to not do you.
I just tired and frustrated. The amount of things that the girl already become class. Me. And through a word.
Listen, as for them stay now, the ex-girlfriend them, so when them see a next woman and them man yard, them are gonna always find things to talk about the girl, right? So I lucky thing say and she ain't in no war. Because I'm frightened to say she no really care nothing. Because as an ex-girlfriend and see woman and man yard, they would have fight. You know one girl when named Rebecca, you know. She did have one boy which she loved so much. Yes, and I see where one girl did their boy yard, but she never really left the boy. And you know, say you go stab up the girl.
Jesus.
Yes, she just come catch the girl on the bed and just stab him up.
Me be careful with my life right now, cause me can't take the drama.
You see, love is a wicked thing, so you have to be careful. Some people they will say they love you, but they don't really love you, they just like you, but they just take it on a different level, so you have to be careful.
Me not take her advice the wisely, no Ashley. But you know what? Me feel tired. So me I'll take some liquor rest now.
Yeah man, you can do that, fold with that, fold up so close.
Alright. No want no help?
No Sam, you're alright.
Alright.
Woman, go up on the road, go hold a drink and I want to. You see me?
Yeah man, babe, no problem. Me can understand say you want a little time for yourself, no problem. Go
So-
and come back.
Princess, go up on the road and follow, yeah?
Alright.
Between me and you know, I don't like come and chat to you so nice, you know. I'm here alone in fear call princess.
So what is wrong with that, Ashley? It's not like me and try get intimidated in your relationship.
Me nah something. Me just say I'm me alone in fear call princess. Me not like that. But anyway, me just make it pass.
Alright, sir.
Tash, Tasso, me tired man. Alright, sir. Journey man. Jesus. So far if I come here, so?
No why me stop.
You know say something bother me. What could they bother you, so? We just a while come down happy just a while ago.
Tash, you see, remember the guy we meet and I tell you about? Something really happened the night me really meet him. Auntie. Him have this ex-girlfriend. Me never know say so crazy that girl be. Me say, when me done one piece of drama take place in the house.
What you mean by drama? Talk up, man. Just cut the story short and get to a point. What really happened down there?
When me look at me reach at the place, their girl can't show up and want come cuss and a go along the most way in the house. It come like them still close together or something. And I don't know. Me feel so frustrated. But they have to cut and leave. I couldn't stay there.
Girl, I could have beat the girl. She had text and lick him down, but bless her no finally broke out if you bet not get no serious. So the best thing I can tell her right now, you know, if you just move on. I'm not thinking worthy. Because them the thing that move on. Enough money in the world. You look good still, so just move on and loyal to them. Because maybe they still in that business. I don't know, but just move on.
Tash, you know, so I understand what you're trying to tell me, say.
Mm-hmm.
But you know what? My cousin always tell me to follow my heart. I follow that instinct. But right now, me and you know they're on the same page. You see? Alright now.
Well, Chads, whether same book, same cover, same Bible, same page, whatever that, but then was.
Chad, you can talk to you. Excuse me, everything,
Okay.
What are you going to say?
No, I want to talk to you private right here.
Tash.
Do you think that's private enough? But,
Yeah, you're good right here.
yeah, man.
I collect some piece of money to give you the deal with.
Mm-hmm.
But later in the night, I'll call you over. So I'm going to sleep.
Alright.
You hear me say?
You watch out for your phone call, man.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Ah.
you say I'm going back to your friend.
Yeah, man. How are you, Matao?
No, man, everything alright. Stay ready, you know? Tash, what happened?
No. Come for let go where you go. Cause if you got something do something over my auntie, so I just want to help her and come back.
Alright.
Yeah, come on.
I'm not too long past your friend. We are over here.
That's the thing. She sent me free money. We have to give her.
Who?
Shots.
Which money?
The money we have to give her.
How much money she has really sent you to me for now? Make up your mind.
$1 million. Yeah.
$1 million.
Did she tell me?
Alright, $1 million. Let me take it. Go ahead. $1 million.
$1 million she tell me. She said must come for money from you.
Try $1 million to my house. Let me ask you a question now. You think me don't watch your eavesdrop and a cock in here?
Me? A eavesdrop?
Listen to me, just one. Just one.
Alright,
You know what? If you don't want me to tell Shad everything, let me tell you go on.
Alright.
I love mercy. I want to put on this by the way. Tell me now something. Let's go about to man.
Still I still in a shads. I'm really glad to ask you to come stay with me. Because sometimes there I'm afraid. Because I hear dog them out the door back and sometimes I wonder if somebody will come. You know, see me alone stay here.
You know, so I'm glad you come to feel like a holiday. Actually, I don't know how I'm happy right now up here. Have a look of freedom and everything. Right now, I just enjoy my little self with you, know.
Yeah man, the place quiet and nice. I like it, but out the door dark, I need to get one light put out there so. Because more when me come, if me go nowhere at night time, more if nobody there so me can see them. Because I'm afraid I dark, you know.
Me too.
Even me not gonna feel like tonight, you know, so me hope you not go bother you.
No, go bother me at all, man. That's alright.
Hold up.
Hello?
Hello?
What go on?
There.
You good?
Yeah, mommy, alright. They are relaxing look yourself.
So where you there?
They want me not chill out and not talk to my cousin.
So we can see you right here now.
Yeah, man. Time not too late.
Alright, so just come down and just push out me away from you to gateway.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Cause
I'm
I want my friend them, man. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna go on the road and come back, is it?
But do you think, man? Alright, be safe.
Alright.
Never say no like no how to do this, you know.
Me use the phone light, man. Alright. Me a big girl now.
No, we just want to trust you and see, but go on. You come back?
Yeah, me a come back kind of fast.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Why? That's why I feel like, I don't know, hold on. I have to use this stick to find the car.
So you mean you can't cook up?
Wait!
What's your?
We have the yard!
What she there do ya? You better try to have your money now. So now you want me come in our bed with me. Girl, come out. Out.
No, listen. Whitney, we tell you everything, man, you're done!
Me you can't done so. Me you cannot done like that.
I see me love.
Love what? No love no did they so yes so you love day. And I yes so you like. Me not let me know.
Me tell you what. Tell you, I'm never come back and
So oh
when you come piss me.
me I pass you?
Oh, a matter of fact, what you have me asking you know, why when we move, you move there, you know, tell me I know, why you have people and do this?
Because I love you.
No, love no go so.
If in this still love you would have turn with you. Baby love, come out to my business and no, you don't exist anymore. Come here. You make a girl in and style me.
You know where you go? You turn off for the night, we go to hotel.
Oh, hotel, you don't care nigga hotel, but I want to care that day when I hotel. Oh, we don't call that day.
No.
Mash you up. Mash you because of me and fee pension money by you. Mash you up. What's here?
What you call pension? What you call pension? Me look, don't call them no old power. Me no hold. Me no hold.
My
Please.
grandparents them pension where I call it then.
Through the door.
Me not go nowhere. If I go hotel, me I come a hotel too. Anyway, go me they go.
Listen, we not want no hotel, no motel, no cocktail.
Look here. Look here. When I can't Tanya argue. Me come here and I see something over. Nothing no change and she what she doing here so you know what this? You know what? You can continue keep him and support. Me not in no drama.
You can't do
You
that.
can't do this. You can't do man when you call this. Miss, if you want to keep him, you can. Okay? Then go on. Okay? Are you married if I go through the door? Me can't go when we're ready. Shut up, no man. Me kick you in your face and shut up. Area go make you disrespect like that.
No.
No my man. Are you a man or my man? Me ask you a question. You're a man or my man? You exist again. You better gladly still go about my business. Yeah, you may be still right here, but we love you. At least you have the key for the door. Which door? You have the key for the door. Which door?
You know.
No that. Oh, me get in here.
As a man, me I change a lot.
Change a lot there.
Me I change a lot there because where you get an extra key from.
Yeah, I give me the extra.
Come on, no, which part you find key for coming on me? I pick me lock.
Me go about my business. I cannot take this drama anymore.
Listen,
Me not
you-
in and no mix up and no calamity with the
Why
man.
you can't- me
Miss,
like
you can't keep him. He still remain. Me not in and no mix up. Me go
Hi.
about my business.
Alright,
I do
welcome.
not care.
Go
I do. Look here, man. Finish my speech. I excuse. Look at excuse yourself.
Girl, don't start with me tonight.
Try controller, no. Try controller. Yeah, man. Try controller. Alright. No, the girl bad. She bad. You think you bad? You me not think
What
bad.
you
You
want?
bad. What you want? War.
Run up on this now.
What? Just
Run
war.
up on this baby girl. Just run up on
What
this
a girl now? Yeah, what I'm saying, what a girl. Me not go about with people. Me not go about with people.
Bye.
Through the door too.
Oh, through the door.
Me not go nowhere. Me. Watch them gonna tell us something.
What money you want to left me alone?
Me not want no money. I just need the love and the loyalty, baby.
No, then I love you and stress me every time. I tell you, Brittany. And I saw you run. How you get in there by the way?
You deaf? Me have a key for the lock out there.
Then you say, as a man, you never talk to the landlord and find out how you get key from your house. Me not understand that where you get the key from.
But don't me not explain myself to you. Me not gonna explain myself to
You
you.
don't call police, man.
Call police. Call the police. Them call the police. Me not gonna reach by the time I come out of this. Stay and go and harass you.
Oh, yes, officer, we have a problem.
What the problem?
One mad woman a try to... Yes, officer. My try to rape me, officer.
I won't believe that.
I laugh, sir.
Laugh, yeah, officer. How do you know of me after every rape this man here?
At least a woman. Officer, let me ask you a question. Where you done at station I do? Serve and protect. And me tell you, me I get raped. You're supposed to send 2 jeep to another station come because she crazy.
Come on, 5 phone, please.
Yes, me jump, sir. That's why my rape is rape. Because if we rape them, if we even take it, then say a rape. She have gun. Yes, she have gun.
Gun?
One AK-47.
I'm gonna see you give me
one
gun.
9mm. What?
Tell
Yes,
me about
officer.
night, so I 2 to make you run up and make me
And if I check no, say all of the brothers, the power road, I beg money. Alright, officer, yeah. Stand there wait. Stand there wait.
Look here, first thing first, that the man not come here. Anything we say to the policeman, he go to one ears and come up to the next one, you see me?
Wait.
Me wait.
No move.
Try not say me and you are going to let the bed tonight, here?
Go on,
Go on, Alice, make us sleep tonight and done. Go
Alright,
sleep
yeah.
tonight,
I'll
then.
let them, baby.
Alright, come on.
Come on, yeah.
Where they go? Boy!
Every night, sir. Every night you just take up yourself, go on the road, go and drink rum. Me no want to see you. Me know somebody too. No, me no business. Me don't feel that way. Because me there, I want to see you. So what if she there? Out the door no day? We can't go out the door. I be a talk, yeah talk. No, me want to see you one of the time. Every night I go and drink rum. Me I have a feeling say I'm cousin there, you know. So you try my way I do too, you know. And don't play with me. No, me just have to think that. Because you're a man. What? When you want a good night? You can't stay here around bar. What happened to phone here?
Oh, I'm Ashley.
I mean, the one Twitter. What happened to you? Okay, face makes up so.
I caught up when I see him situation again.
Again? Not tell me say I see a boy situation.
Yes.
What happened this time now? Tell me.
Night since Nigeria, you see me go here. Over there me go. Me go with it. The woman in the house in the dark when we turn on the light.
You want to get yourself killed?
No, Ashley.
You go on and go on till you go over there, you know, and not come back one night, you know. How much time you have to tell us, say, love the boy alone. Yes, you say how one ex will determine, say, him and him no break up. See, you leave that alone. Because obviously, the girl say she and the boy no left. Because if she and him did left, she would have yard. Think about that.
Well, that's true. Me tell him say me nah come back.
How you want to get yourself, you know? Look here, me no want nobody come over here, come boom down the door here, you know. Because as you can see, it's not too strong. One kick and it fly off.
Alright. You know, so she tried to fight me since night too.
What? I wish ex this year. Me know her?
I don't think so.
No, sir. You try mine, you know. You know her from tonight. You tell that boy, say, you don't know him. Right? Delete him number out of your phone. Because you're not going to make sake that the boy them lose my cousin. Me not going to make sake him dead. Because that the girl that look like him ready to kill you. Try mine what you do. Me I try protect you. Because I don't want nothing to do you. You're my only cousin. And I call you come here to spend a good time with me. I don't want nothing to do you in a period of time. You understand?
Yes, me understand.
Jesus Christ. You know my heart a beat?
Alright, me I go stop.
God man, me I go to bed. Because I you me there wait for you know. I you me there wait for to come. And you come with this such sad news now. Sometimes you must love certain things alone. You see when the things not go good, you love it alone. Because if you continue, something bad will happen to you. But just feel it.
Don't not happen to me, Ashley.
Just think about what me I say. Just think about it.
So Ashley, you know cook?
Every day you want to get up and cook, man. You can't cook for once.
You must me not like the cooking business.
You're a big old girl, man. You must learn to cook. Me not cook today, man. Because every day I cook. See me hand solo up there. And knife I cook. Me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with it, man.
So you're tired?
Me tired. Me go on road and come back. Me wash it and something, man. Me tired. Me can't cook today. Me I tell you, me tired. Unless you want one ramen.
Me no want no ramen.
Well, bread and butter, did they?
Me no want that.
Me not cook, so you try to cook for yourself.
You call me boyfriend.
That same guy there. That's a great idea because I know me not meet him. Every time I come and tell me about boyfriend, and you know introduce me. So call him, come over, come on, see who have my cousin. Lock up.
Alright. Jay,
Hello?
why free?
Okay, I know.
You alright?
Well, alright, but you know, say a little argument with me and Brittany and you last night. I kind of feel sorry about it still.
Not cool, man. Don't worry about that. But anywho, we can invite you over me, dad, you know.
If you do it?
Can come do some cooking and chefing thing.
Oh.
I've come meet my cousin.
Alright, just you me come over, come cook, you see me?
Ah,
Alright, me dey on my way.
alright.
Take care.
Well, he sound like a nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
You have to keep him. So, the ex alright now. She cool down.
Why is she fiery bad?
Just don't have that girl up on your mind. Because your cousin more fiery. She don't know say you have a mad head cousin.
But anywho, forget.
So, how long are you calling? Which part in there?
He's so rich, man. Don't worry about that.
Well, I want to see her. Where is your name again?
Jay.
Jay, I want to see her.
The location.
Hi.
Oh,
Good afternoon.
nice to meet you.
In this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm her cousin,
Nice to meet you. So,
Ashley.
so when you say me a cook, you know, because I got me really come.
Well, you know, so me kind of tired
food is
from
life,
when
you know?
me have chicken cut up there already. So obviously you just season it up, put it on the fire, cook your rice or
Brown stew, curry, barbecue.
And
Anything
anything.
a long time you not eat
Alright,
from somebody else. What?
Alright, just sit down and
You
enjoy
come
yourself.
prepare, man. Me like him already.
Sit down and enjoy yourself, man.
You know, so me heard enough boy you do.
Good things.
Good things and bad things in between.
What kind of bad things?
Not really bad, but alright.
What kind of bad things?
Do your thing.
No.
Do your thing.
She talk about you a lot though.
Oh. Like that. You know, some like the cousin, though. Take care of you, you know.
You see, say two of them like each other. Two of them talk on the phone. Man, go on do your thing, pa.
Why? You could at least wash a little dishes and look. Sorry, me, I'll have to leave in back with. And I'm trying to cook still, you know. You ever get running belly before?
Well, sir.
Alright, you won't get him out. I head chef, you know. You used to work on Mario Pose and then our family left it in still because they can't manage it.
Oh, really?
Mm.
How many years?
Not something 2 years. But to the one who used to love like candle. You can't take it and die.
Candle?
Yeah, candle. Like a Christmas I come.
the two of you make it two get acquainted. Nice to meet you again, Papa. And when you're ready for me, our food don't cook again.
No. Not because this is Papa and this is not mine. You know,
Oh. Should we see it there?
I just like the name, you know? My name is Jay.
Jay. Alright.
Yeah.
Well,
I just like the
from
name.
the looks of it, we see how you can be a thing, man. We like everything when you see already.
I'm gonna see it eating.
We like how you cut up the veg them and everything.
Onion and veg.
The potato. You know, so I don't really know nothing about cooking.
Onion and potato?
No, I get a mix up. You know, so I don't really know the food groups them, but anyways, the onion look good and the potato you cut up, I like how you cut up. So.
Oh. I'm not going to cut them up yet, but one.
We don't eat pepper bueno, so if you have put scotch bonnet pepper in there, that's a no-no. For me, see it over this one.
I like courage with pepper still, you know, but...
You can put it in there after for me go up, man.
Alright.
Nice to meet you again, though.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Ashley.
Yeah, man, cuz.
I saw your cousin watch everything.
Mm-hmm. I should stay, man.
Nothing other sweet pepper you found the devil was a boy.
So, Jay,
Hmm?
you sorted out the problems then?
Well, last night I put her out still, you know. I run out before I still, you know, so... She left when go back with the police and she not did it, so you know, say, no problem and sorrow over with that.
You sure you fix everything?
It fits, man, it fits. I realize that I'm mad man will take up at first. You know, no peeler.
No, I don't think so.
So now this a big old mansion and no peeler like that. I supposed to be open now mansion and no peeler like that kitchen.
Use the knife.
Oh, Jesus, it's a good thing to go up with the granny. That's what I suffer. Anyway, you think about me that over there?
Yeah, I'm kind of there think about it, but I kind of look at the things them when I see right now what I want. And I don't really want to caught up in too much problem.
What kind of problem?
You know, your ex-woman scared and thing and me no want no big old conflict happen. And then my cousin and thing, you know, so me just come around the sorrow.
Alright, yeah, now. She used to use Isla Tanya to Tanya me, right? As much as you're Christian and me kind of have a look Christian in me, come in the Bible and read the Bible. We can go out of the Isla shop and buy it.
No. Me no do things there.
No, the powder name.
Me no business about powder. Me no do something there.
No, when we sprinkling her,
Me
she
no care about sprinkle.
have a walk
I
and a
do
walk.
business. This is the door right, Jay.
Sometimes you fight.
If you go with God, you go with God. If you walk by me, I walk by him. I can't do this, so you can't put 1 foot in and 1 foot out.
Alright, we can tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me which pastor you think holy. Tell me which pastor you think holy. You think say a pastor should have gone?
No.
If he said God will protect us, why him have gun? That if you look into. Some people go to church but they don't understand. You see, they only build a church to make money.
Not really.
Make one month pass and nobody will throw the collection plate church
But-
and people next day.
If a person don't contribute to the church, how the church will be?
Hey, the pastor said God will provide. Why God can't provide
God
in the
will
church?
provide. That's why, look, when people come on earth, if you don't work, when you get money, you're going to say thank you, Jesus.
Alright, you don't understand the point.
You don't understand my point.
When we go to church, pastor preach to us that God will provide. Drop on the tithes. Drop the tithes. Sometimes we take all months, months upon months before we see anything. And we look at the pastor, jack pastor, so.
Well, that's true, because some of them are fast.
Okay. We're glad you
But
understand.
not all of them stay so. You can't define a person so by a book, by its cover.
You're young. You're with them prison your mind sometimes.
Nobody not prison my mind.
No. You don't get the point I'm trying to say. When I say church, bad enough. You know, say that to go to church to pray.
That's true.
You can pray hard. And you see the tithe and I say for sure. Make sure you go to one tithe. You find somebody who need the money. you find someone who really need the money and give that person the money. And so God will bless you.
That is true.
You know, some of them pastors you can't even trust them. Look at the last one, you know when you call for rape. You only come by your yard and look your girl picking with them. Then see them in that church and say, wow, Sister Ben started to look so sweet. I have to go over to the ministry in the week. You laugh! You think I joke? Now when they go over there, you know, the sister never go to work in the morning, you know, what then?
You know, business about people still.
And you know how they get their way to the little people them? Talk about, oh, the Holy Ghost man come out! And say for the bonfire, come out, demon! Come out! And then they go for the belly and run, come on, Jesus! Come on, devil! Come on! And then they go up on the front.
Alright, Jay, alright.
Yeah, I'm done, the man.
Alright.
That's
Alright, Jay. Alright. Beauty.
what on there.
Beauty.
Let me do it.
When I finish, you can call me back.
I don't want to see you finish in touch.
Alright.
Yeah.
Beauty.
Alright, tell her. Alright. Think I put too much seasoning in what you were. You have any curry? come here some time with Pat, man. That's a Jamaican time, you know. They don't want to help, they just want to wait for you to cook.
Like, come right in time.
I want you to tell them, say, look, on the rice, on the buy a Chinese, prawns it.
See for me plate your boss. See for me one.
Oh my God.
As I go rice, them one of them nowadays not really good, you know. You have to watch it. So when you buy rice, and you buy rice, not true.
No, Ashley, talk tell lie.
But when you buy rice, we normally look pan it. Because you must have fried rice nowadays. You sit down and wait for the food.
Alright, I come here now.
Also, shake my hand for you, man. And food are really good. The good cousin-in-law not too good for call. You have a brother-in-law from today.
Alright, so baby, yeah. Yeah, it's tomorrow I have a surprise here.
What kind of surprise?
The year come, we'll say watch.
Oh, the race wig!
Yeah.
Alright.
So, you say yeah, bro?
Yeah, man, big up again.
Where name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Alright, big up yourself.
Later.
Okay. It's all good.
You try to keep him.
Ashley, talk
It's nice. He come cook for you. What more you want?
Me don't do nothing.
You
Calm
keep it
down.
on you. Keep it on you. Nice. Now.
So that if Jesus. Cool girl look nice. Jay,
Huh?
how much you pay for this?
Oh, the 19 month get discount because you know he's a man that ask my discount.
Me like it.
Mm.
But anyhow, I can't come out on an occasion.
Oh, yeah. I'll carry you home, I go bail and then we come pick you up back in the night.
Night.
Yeah, so come on, let me just carry you home and I'll take a shower quick and me come back and take a shower, you know?
Brittany, me just see a man down the road with one new woman. She all in a Brazilian hair and everything.
What will you say to me? My man, you sure say I'm my man. By woman Brazilian here and on this. Right now I'm sick, I'm not in this baby love. So if I lie I tell the truth for now. You see me?
Me say if it's true, him I want girl.
Alright then. Alright, thanks for telling me. Alright. Oh! So I walk with this here, not true?
One tear,
What do you mean by walking to me?
we done a long time.
Stop tell me bun. Jay, me got me yard. Me can't bother with this stress. Right now me sick and me need money to go to doctor.
Listen, we done a long
Me
time.
and you not done that, we cannot done. Every time me look, every time me see her, this a girl that me see her with.
You see what cars are. Why you not just love me? Me tell you
Oh, you know what? Be a skin pan road. Oh, you want be a skin pan road? Where they go? Come here.
What going Ashley?
Yeah, new look for me.
Mm-hmm.
How you answer to me, girl?
Let's get brand new hairstyle. Brand new lace wig. Guess how who buy it?
Oh, you see him guy named Jay?
Yeah. Guess how much you pay for it?
You know what? Tell me now. What?
19,000.
19,000 you pay for this a week here? You know how much 19,000 could I give you? before you carry the 19,000 or even half of it, cause your cause buy some food stuff. You notice from when I'm here alone, I do everything. Me I pay rent, water bill, everything. No food in my house.
But Ashley, why you be a so?
Because you pay 19,000 for that little piece of week there. When we could have buy food and we don't have no money like that.
No, but in an occasion, you really in need of it.
Where you go? You come over here and boast for me about how you pay 19,000 for a week. You know, we tired of this, yeah? Because other day you come over here.
Ashley, stop behave so man.
No man, I'm me alone I do everything. I'm tired of it now. I didn't want to sell this here for a long time, you know, but the time come now.
So what is the problem?
Me can't go stay here.
Why?
Because you have to spend 19,000 per week and me I spend 20,000 per rent. I'm
Ah,
time I
that
had
is
$2,000.
Ashley,
Look here, a long time plan this, you know. See me have to get things there. No.
long time when you plan to keep me out?
Come on. Me tell you now, you eat
Ashley,
now.
me nah
You not put in nothing. I just take care take out one.
Ashley, me nah come out like
Please, go on over Jay, go stay. And we happy to see you. Go on over there.
Ashley, you can't do
No,
that.
leave out of me place. 19,000 you spend for week.
Ashley.
No, come on. Come on. Right. Me there, even me not pay 19,000 for week.
Who that?
Asha, you know say I don't break. Open the door.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not change your fabric. I look for something.
So why you change the vibes?
Someone think you change and get ready. Oh, dear.
Because you keep me up.
Yo, Joa.
Because I hear.
Which year?
So me tell her the ear cost 19,000. She have cost me nothing, me could have buy other things.
And keep you out just because of that?
Yeah, you're not talking, I'm not pay bills, I'm not do this, I'm not do that.
Alright. No worry, I know you don't know when done for you, I know your life, but I hear me I say. Alright, you can go get ready and we're gonna go to the pizza place to get the pizza and you can have the pizza and anything you want to drink. You know fret about shit. So go on in the bathroom, line up yourself when you're ready. I'm gonna line up myself and then we'll go. So you can
You
go.
can stay here?
Yeah, we are going left right here, so. Tonight, yeah. We don't tell you so come in a trust.
Oh, you
Britney.
know, and the ex man come and see me.
Okay, so prepare yourself, man. Just prepare yourself. We have one to you, man. You can't put on a bag this thing, man. Don't worry, later we'll move from here, so. We just have one call some of the dupes them to go on and watch what you hear of me, so you come there and sound you. Come on, let's. But anyway, you can go and relax. In the meantime, we'll make some call.
Alright.
Yeah. Now open the door for me, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on there. No. What you find me here for?
Stop going so I don't send me here, the baby can't live.
No, listen, we left long time.
But they can't leave me like that.
Right now, even if we stop, hey, you can't know that baby, fiancé later than that.
Fiancé.
Our favorite spot that too. Oh, no, about that.
Oh, so I say you treat me now.
Come.
Alright, at least give me a hug before.
Through the door. Me, I respect my relationship.
So you not respect me? Well, I'm coming and you not respect me? What you? Babe, good night. Have a rough night today. I'm so tired and exhausted.
Alright, then I'm going to lay down then. Oh, last chance to come down the middle and I do on the computer still. The camera must see.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Must get him, I don't know.
That's like this. Oh, God. Baby. Baby.
Well, yeah, the other man. Oh, mommy. Yeah. Yeah, we eat. We did look after some breakfast. Yeah. Oh, alright. But, mom, Kel says she want to go library now. And I go follow her. We can go library now too. Oh, yeah, man. Alright. Alright, ma put him fit out. Yeah. Alright, man, no worry. We are reach home back by 6 o'clock. Oh, 5. Alright. Alright, yes, mom. Alright.
I don't wash the plate them already.
Oh. Come here, where I go somewhere, because Mama now come back for now. But first, make me catch up with me here, because right now, me look like no homeless. Oh.
It's back wrong. Hey there, give me 10.
Alright, so. Yeah, let me take up your phone. Come here. Sit there on your seat. Remember to lock the door. I'll decide where it's at. Come.
You start wash already?
Huh? Yeah, we start wash.
I did want to push up the two in our machine there, you know. But
You
not.
think we are close and done with, yeah?
So I'm going to overload the basket when the mash up. Morning, nice too. Yeah, right though.
Yeah.
You eat something?
You know you're not really okay about something.
You know what's for me I eat. No, so I love you. I'm one sister. I take care of you.
That's right.
You see me I take care of you? Yes. You try to make sure when you go out there, you know, you find nobody, you remember your sister, you know. Because I love you to my heart. I'm also take care of you.
I remember.
You know I know help to wash this. Want help to wash?
But more, I don't make a help me.
Yeah, so man can't do anything for you.
Alright then.
I'm only sister, you know.
More wash my hair when time I'm done. So.
So me help to do that. Why my nicely one? You have to go over mango bush when you're ready, when you're done here. You'll put some mango. Right over there, so man. You know what mango for eat, sis?
Yeah.
No, so a mango time all over.
Some of you say boy pick up on a mango like in the tree. Where you get mango from?
Wow, man did tell me about one place over there, so me go over there. I know me not eat 1 dozen mango from mango time conveniently. I love sit down with one big pudding pan of mango.
I'm sure, so I'll box of mango, I see right there, so.
No, I them the mango, them the mango. I like Gaia mango and
East
Julie,
Indian.
East Indian. I like rich mango.
It just high door.
Expensive mango, I like. So, we take up the man. Because I know why you hook out yourself, you know.
No, come, son.
We need to go get some cement and put right there, so.
So you had the first idea. A friend Frank got a mango bush.
You go up on the road. You check one of my friend them. That me do.
Why do you care about something for me?
You know why you want KFC?
Then no must.
Alright.
You could never say no for that.
See me I take care of you? I love you.
I mean, the chat about to say you take care of me. Hey.
You know if you need sis, you know I make
You
nothing
call me
come.
big. Yeah, no, Jesus, you're so nervous.
You know I make nothing come between us, girl. No man, no friend, no family, nothing. I'm here forever. To the end.
That's right.
Remember me tell her that. No man, nothing can separate us. Cause you see the love for me I have, strong so.
Nobody can break that.
Nothing can break it.
Alright, what else can I put that for the next 15 minutes so we can go in the house.
Alright, so you come back.
Jesus Christ, where did tell Mama say we are going again?
Tell Mommy so we are going to library. You know, we are going to go study.
and something. But truly and truly, we just have to come to the beach for enjoy ourselves. Because up there, hell house. You know, see?
I truth I tell you no, but me no like the idea of it.
No bad. Watch ya. When last we go beach, you not enjoy freedom. You not enjoy freedom. No man, me already ropes up a life with tell mommy. You know? Yeah. So no problem none today.
Alright. Since I'm bigger sister, me will listen to you. Me I go trust you.
Yeah man.
I come back and put your foot in the water, yeah. I'll reach back.
Girl said the Ben's cold. Emanate. Me no normal like my brother sweet class. We have eat and a drink. No, I shouldn't say that. It's cold. Emanate. Me no normal like.
Hi.
Hello.
I am an artist.
Yeah man, I sang here, so.
So nice too.
Thanks.
I'm Tiana.
I'm Davy.
Nice to meet
Say
you.
her name soft.
Thanks.
So what, my way I go?
Up on me head me I go.
How you live?
Right over through this morning.
I tell. I'm there so all the while, you know. So a long time I live here, so.
Me just move in with my sister.
So you're not in a company then?
No, I'm not really in no company. I can't keep my company.
Sure. Take me number now. 3826 111.
3826 111.
Alright.
Alright, me remember that.
Alright.
When we reach out, me text you.
Alright, do that man. And me call you can keep your company.
Alright.
Put you in a nice song them too, you know?
Alright.
Pretty girl like you.
Yes, man. So, we take me in love. We meet one nice looking boy on the road. And this up, you know, he's my artist. His name Davidan. So that I go on. Yes, my man named Davidan. Yes, big artist, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me call him and make him come over here. Come here to make a meeting.
Alright then. That's what I do.
Now big artist, you know.
You told me that already. I just want to do me like that. But me soon come back, I'm going to room and forward back.
Alright, I'll take up something.
Why? Why she always get the man them? Why every time I look for me, they don't want me and they want she? When they sit on her,
I'll go back around there.
so we can call him over.
That's a good idea. No, something that I think about that. I'll do it. Make from phone and call him.
Do you know?
What a dirty man.
Come and go and come. Remember, so now we can't see.
I want to say. Come on.
Hey, Davi. Me there. Me I wonder if you could have come over. The sister want to see you.
You want to come over today?
Yeah, right now. We can direct you, you know.
Alright, do that now.
We never,
I'm in a share area too, you know.
Alright, when I reach Nylene, you can call me. I want Rocky Lane. I want Blackgate we live. You know, Blackgate.
In a black gate. They hear man saying they're in lane already. I'm gonna talk to you, man. Give me a phone.
You know, me talk to you. When I reach our Blackgate, you call me, you hear?
I'm more than one black gate. Yeah, this scheme.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
I'm more than one black gate.
Come on now, don't worry. Come on now, sis. How we have the only
When
black
you
gate
don't
right
know,
here,
oh, I know we have the only black gate. Oh, best have black gate. Go out there, please. Go out there. Senseless.
Oh, yeah, so.
Yeah.
Come like you look even prettier than before, man.
That was blush.
You know.
See, got me up in the bucket.
Hello.
Hello.
Boy, you look like your sister, though.
Who?
You see, you look like your sister.
Yeah, we kind of feel I'm picking out her father.
Nah, I look over still.
Me not here.
That's Africa. So anyways, how they going?
Me there, I'm going to take it easy.
Oh. Nice to be able to smell good like I just beard, man.
Thanks.
So only a chat though. I'm so no invite me over.
They don't want to see the guy what she had talk about because she had like about nice and this and that. And I say, more actually nice guy too.
Me nice too. Face on, you know.
I try to tell her I say me like you, I really like you.
I like it too.
I think it could have been a boyfriend.
For real. That could have worked for real.
But you have to make sure you don't have no woman do.
Me not know, man. I not even know how to spell that. O double O. Me not even know how to spell it. Are you alright?
You're funny though, you're full of joke.
Thanks.
Let me see your phone.
Okay.
You can't pull it.
Of course.
You beat iPhone though.
You just meet him up.
Okay.
Oh, I can't look.
You can't
That's
look,
not
man.
me, that's not
Nah,
good.
you can't look for real, man.
Look at your camera nice. You see?
If your camera nice, so imagine when nigga up on it. It was me and you. We bomba niceness for days.
Close enough. You jealous? Facebook.
So why you not me in your man phone?
Because we are family now. We are getting to know each other.
I'm in law, you know. You can't send me a snap to if you want to.
Alright, do that then.
Alright. So I say always the far.
Yeah, me like keep me distance, isn't me?
Why?
I just saw this stay.
Oh, man, that's done.
So tell me, you like him? You like him so far? Like, you thinking good for me?
Oh,
That'd be a
good for
perfect
you.
match.
Yeah. We make a good couple.
That no sound right.
We make a good couple. Me nah bias.
Bias.
We make a good couple with you.
I like you still for true, but from the day I see you on the road. I like you still from this morning, I see you.
Yeah, I like it even more. I need come to me, I come to introduce myself.
I see you kind of shy still, so I just put in a word for you.
I love that boy, man, like you just take command,
The song you don't sing it back for me here.
I said the Ben school, lemonade. In a normal, like my brother Sweet Cracks, we have beat and a drink. Yes, I spade. One left full of goons with devil ways. I'm seeing song to another.
Can I hear his song?
Oh, that shit him say you're artist.
Yeah, I mean, man, left on YouTube to a human tube, I can leave a comment and subscribe when I try to.
Do more another song.
When I next song.
Sing one song, boom.
For you. The girl is so pretty. The girl is so nice. Mother dash all the money. Mother spend everything on her.
No, like that.
I mean, man, I can't spot my bill, Because when I waste time,
A freestyle?
No, every time I look at it, I just feel like, man, tell her, oh, you're beautiful and all these things. If I don't, I just be a song right now.
So you have no YouTube channel now?
And that the man just said. The man just said that I have a YouTube channel.
I might be sharing here, man,
Maybe.
So much song you publish already?
Around 12 hours, so. Can I do it, man?
Yeah, no, because I like it topic right now. We talk about something else. Alright. Me I say now, how no proof make money in a life? It all no like. When you say no like, you don't want to do that, right? Wanna plan for the for your living together. Talk about business,
Me if you want, me want open my Cosmo store.
Okay.
For best hair, nails, me I deal with body too. And hair products, them the certain day, me I go run.
That sounds good, man.
Have my online business too.
One thing you can't right away, I can sponsor your money.
You can't, me don't have my license already, I'm a certificate, everything.
Alright, but you do things, man. So where you go to make money now? This,
I'm gonna find the right one if you do a business with.
Oh, yeah,
Or do a business with somebody.
with somebody?
Yeah.
So I'm to yourself.
That's you know. But I plan to start a business with myself, yes, but I'd rather start the business first with somebody. Is it me?
Oh, yeah, broke.
Yeah, I would say so.
Don't shame like that, man.
Yeah, but she wants somebody else to encourage her.
Yes, more somebody
to help her out.
Yeah, I understand. No, I guess spirit still, I'm a little family man. I hope I can join you and be one good part,
Yeah, you know, man, so, they behind me, can help me do like moving and stuff them or something.
Yeah, we can do it behind you, in front of you, all on top of you if you want, just say a word.
You know, easy now, where you come from?
What a nigga right there, sir?
Do something, I gotta do something.
Alright.
So you better bruise my body suffer.
Shut your arm, I must be your friend. So, you never know see your sister.
Yes, I'm my sister, but me I say I know. She not even know somebody did know you a long time.
Me not make you know something know you.
I'm gonna make her know because I'm a sister, I'm not keeping up from her.
Of course, but me say me name make you know you would have put in your word first.
Yeah, I put in the word.
So different from her, a good girl.
Of course, my sister a good girl. Good girl.
Free. You don't lie to me, I know say you not.
Me not tell her that.
I'm gonna talk about.
They talk about two, say a good girl and you decided that.
I'm going to sauce up this name tonight.
Alright, say bad in the kitchen too.
You can't do everything.
Yes. Boy, right now make me just feel welcome in this home. Hold on.
You put on my phone.
Hello? Where you at? Babes, you don't have to work out, you know.
Alright.
Come on, yeah. Where you at?
I want to go to a store today. You nice got me know a long time.
Oh, fun.
Girl, when I chat about artists, man, I feel like somebody, one big artist here talk. You see a broke man that day, a local artist that day, girl, I know him a long time. And my brother, I never do this, a good boy, no, but he don't have money like that to help you out. He broke.
You just tell me saying broke. You couldn't tell me if I need reach you do a call me one side and tell me. Say,
Look at your thing, yeah, man.
three boy artists, sis, me think saying have money. You know the artists, they will get big stage once and enough money.
Look here.
Broke.
Look here.
I want to start my Cosmo and I want something. Me no want no man that can help me. I broke him and broke me down right now. But I look at things.
I
Let's go text him on my phone then.
don't know what you are going to do.
Me a text him right now go work out.
Work.
Broke man. Broke man now here right now. You see summer soon come. Jesus Christ. Someone tell him say this not gonna work. But man not waiting for the summer. Oh God, the boy broke.
So you're going so far? I first say you just somebody broke.
Broke is a disease.
So will that mean say you're diseased to me? You're diseased because we broke. Don't do it.
Man not fi broke. Only time man fi broke and when they in a bed. This nah go work. Oh.
Go on.
I'm hoping you feel now you better come back over here and start up no argument with me because you never give me
You
no
know, do that because one thing I tell about that the boy there.
You look shy still, you look like an idiot.
You might not an idiot because I know him long time. I'm a friend, you know, I was telling my friend like that even though you're my sister.
What do you have for me today?
Oh. Look, you have disease.
Excuse you, where are you guys coming from?
Welcome front of our library.
No,
The one down
Joe
the
just
road.
called me on my phone and told me that you guys was on the beach.
I lie Mattel.
No, you can't say I lie, Mattel.
I lie Mattel because Master Joe never see it. When we pass Master Joe, he did the way up he place up there so and we pass him and we tell he ask
Yes,
so
so
where
you-
we are going, we say we
Tommy,
are going live.
But your eye, me can't tell say I lie. Yeah, tell. Your sister plump and tell lie.
Mommy, but I don't a library where you come from.
Me will call him and ask him.
Call him.
No worry, me will call him.
Yes.
I better get too fishy.
Fish
Go-
swim in the ocean. Man.
No, my friend. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You hear? Your sister, you have to pay a road for your sister. If
But
you
me
back
play
and
what
start,
here.
me, she want to start do it too. Yeah?
Oh.
Don't do it. I'm a that fuck. You come from the library foot. Full of sun. What happen?
No son of the power foot, man. See? Spotless.
Alright, me will call him and ask him.
Yes.
Cause somebody a tell lie and somebody a going
And
to
a
problem.
master tell lie.
We go find out.
Yes.
I mean, I believe not what you say. You see your
After
eye
that,
dry?
me I tell.
So your eye dry?
Kind of water now with you.
Don't worry yourself. You'll find it for water go wet up in. Don't worry yourself, madam. I gonna go back and call him and ask him. But that me gonna do right now. Put my phone and call him, so make sure.
Oh. Sis, me I go put the road now. Eh?
We are going to.
No, deal with it now come back. It's not 10 now. 5 minutes.
Well, come ahead, but we're not already yet. So you white up the gel, white you.
You see it. When you come back, I can come for you.
Alright.
Yeah, man, bro, I'm glad, man. I'm glad how you take care, man. God. Cause environment not nice, you know, man. Environment not nice at all, man. I'm glad, but I know me how do the other one, no, but must figure out something for myself, man. Must figure out something for myself. Me I tell them, I'm glad, man. I'm glad, man. Oh, God. She deserve it, man. Yeah, man. You come here and tell me good news, man. Oh, God. Thank you very much, man. You're a very good father, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do without you. Thank you, Jesus. Alright, later we talk later because I'll tell her that when you come in, alright? Alright, later. Take care. Alright, big up yourself.
I feel
You know how I feel now you do about the message I'm saying.
not good, man.
Because I really like you.
Mm-hmm. What you tell her? Not even explain, I understand.
No, I don't want you to feel bad.
No, it
because
good, man,
I
it
like you like that. I think so we have a far
Chemistry.
relationship figure.
Mm-hmm.
So you can text me back here.
Alright, no problem. So how are you head to you now?
Up I had me I go.
Take care of yourselves. Me just the same, man. Nothing no change, you know?
I really hope you're not feeling that way because make you meet my sister, we get along good and all these things.
I know something did know your sister for a longer times.
Yeah, she did tell me, man, but anyway, I really want you to boss in your artist thing. I want to go far for you.
We are putting your work, man. Believe you, it will happen. Believe me.
Them.
Hold on. Hello? Yeah, I'm all I tell, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm moving on time. Take care of yourself. Alright. Yo, alright.
Alright. Yes, ma'am. Come on, someone else to tell me. She'll say, alright. I love you, no matter what happened, I love you. Daddy call and say
My daddy?
No, not
That
you.
the sperm donor they
No,
call?
that the work is dog. They don't serve no purpose. Him go soon get to him look for.
Yes.
Fear daddy me and target. Daddy say, you're going a 6 day time. You know, to hold up your head and know look out for your sister. But daughter, me figure out a way to make you go into it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You always keep contact with the sister no matter what.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
And make no happen what happen again. I know that I passed, but you just can't listen. Yeah, you love it too, no matter what. Just love you. Yeah, look up your sister, you know. Not change, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Not change. Hook up your sister and tell her you love you. One my daughter never miss her. God no man never miss him. Miss your God. Two daughter, I'm proud of you, man. Proud of you.
Morning. Good evening, Freddy.
Lord.
What are you doing?
Fine.
You look beautiful, sir.
Thanks.
I see you're powerful, friend. All the while, you over there saw peace on the shine, but as me say, sun just gone, so. So anyways, I like you, and I'm like, forget to know you, that can happen.
Yeah, man, you can't know me. My
Alright.
name's Sienna.
Take your number and put it on my phone now. I spend my money on you, money on me, I work, I just spend it on you. I mean, it's a hard working money now. I mean, I was rich, but I have money where I can take care of myself and take care of you and buy little grocery put in my house for you. You see me?
Okay.
But I'm not going to say I'm rich because I'm not rich, but I have a little change. I'm just spend it on you though. Any money I'm work, I just spend it on you. Because you're beautiful. If a woman like you, you deserve a lot.
You're nice. You're such a gentleman.
Man, I like your eyes them too. So you say I can walk with you home? Which way
Yeah,
you
man,
live?
right up E3 up there, son.
Alright, come on then. Any man have this body, I think to be grateful.
Boy, can't believe. Sister father take him over and for me workless papa hit. Me no know how I do him. Would even the same thing like for him father. And then again, how come so my sister get everything he want? And I fly go America come back. And then me wanna left her. You must say mad. Left where? Wait, you must say mad. Alright. I know what I do. Okay. Think you left ya? Left where? Alright. I know what to do. Okay. Think you left me now? Left where? You must say mad. You know what? Make her relax my brain what to do, you know. Yes. Make her relax my brain.
dog text me. I saw your dog, I say. Bad bro. What going? Me get the contract. Bomba. So, management now, you see them bro, $5 million. Bomba. Hold on, no say nothing. Hold on. Before all of that. You sure say a sure thing, like no jokes about it, $5 million contract, bro. Cause this alright, me call her back. Me call one girl where me feel I'm a future wife. Me call him and tell him say I hit this for you. The one in there. Hello.
Hello, I need to call my sister phone here because my sister don't want you. She don't want no broke man. I don't care what you want to say. Do not call back her phone because she don't want you. Alright, bye. Don't call back.
Alright. Everything good, man. Everything good. I'm probably bringing my sorry. That good still on the car back management.
This one no broke man. Till I have money much less.
Sister.
Oh.
Boy, I look nice, man.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Well,
I'm Revan.
yeah, my friend meeting whenever, so.
Alright. So, I have your cousin?
No, my sister.
Oh, you got a nice family, man. All of them look nice and thing, you know?
So, about you.
I don't know if I see me see her on the road though, and I don't know, like, me just see her, me just like her off, so. You know, me just tell her somebody want to follow her, come up here. I can get to know the place, so if one other day I want to come, I can know me afford easily. Can come surprise you, you know?
Yeah, I like him too.
But as me say, I spend money pound, you see me? No problem with that. As me say, I'm not rich, but I have one little change, like I work for money, so I buy food. I buy a grocery for your house, cause, you know, like if we get for you.
Yes,
There.
that's sweet too.
I buy grocery for your house, cause basically I'm there. Man, thanks.
So this is my sister.
Yeah, man. I want to tell you something.
Right.
How many to your sister?
Alright.
Alright.
Inshallah, Lisa. I care about this one come back.
Okay. So I want to do everything good. So I'm ready to place man and
Can I come close?
yeah man, no problem man, no problem. I'm ready to wanna move good on the side, you know?
So you got everything?
Yeah man, me alright man. You alright?
Can I call this one?
Oh. I like on a place to keep the place clean, you know? Cleanliness man, you know?
Cleanliness is godliness.
So as I say, I'm ready to sister still and mother glad for me and her start something serious, cause I say me work and take care of her. You see me? I'm not rich but I have a little money. I come work and save.
So which part I live?
Like probably 2 miles away from here, so probably 2 or 3.
Well, I don't know if it's alright, I know, but one thing I can say right now is I like you.
Like if you know each other?
Yeah man, I go and talk to her about things and all that, you know, because I tell her more about me, so I can get to know my personality.
Sis, kind of feel good on belly maybe I say, if I could have got a shop, go buy one pill for me, please.
Yeah man, anything for you. We go for money.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yes, yeah man.
Yes, I like you.
Really no?
Yeah. So you like me?
No, I never said that, but you just
Dark and dark.
You just a behave broad like your sister they just wanna look me right away.
She probably don't know she got around this phone.
Yeah boy, you just a behave broad. Yeah, so as I say, what come do is like, you know?
PMP what?
Huh?
PMP right?
Yeah, PNP. I do.
Alright.
Things as I say now. But that willing for me to talk is not wrong for me to have a two sister then. Not wrong to spend money on them.
Look here, not the two sisters I want to have me.
Yeah, but
Not like she not like that.
no, but listen up, you can't change my mind. I like your sister too. So nothing wrong with me like it too. No. Two girls in my bed, they touch every night.
No.
Nothing wrong with that.
But are you, look here, are you my one?
Yeah,
And
but
me
me
not
say
want
me
you
like
to
your
do
sister first.
But
And
that
she
not
miss it
say-
first.
Just erase her out of your memory and put me in there.
Well, maybe if...
Take her out of the picture, please.
Maybe if you give me good and feel better than I feel or anyone still me work with it still, but I assist my mind upon, but me I can't go and talk to you, I have a problem with that.
Alright, no problem then.
So I know you move like that.
move.
Are you want me to say that if I just work with you, I say, alright, if you want to take my money.
Look here. You hear me nothing wrong. Something is wrong because that the girl, my sister, she nasty bad.
God no?
Look here, she might tell us that she love cook for man and woman, so she might cook for you for 1 week and by next week, she not business boy, that me I tell you.
Well,
she nasty, amount of dirty jar she have around is a pile up. She not like wash, she not wash, cook and clean and a good woman me I tell you. And my sister me I tell
hear
you.
me say though, I like woman clean, so if I'm
me
to be
clean.
honest, I not go really stand up with them something there.
Yes, the place clean. I made the person who clean up the place. She not clean up nothing. She not even want broom, she not leave me I tell you. She want me to do everything in here.
Yeah.
Really? You know, go on now. This one contact him. So you can. I'm standing.
Yeah, I figure it. Come on, sit down. What?
You know this is a style. Me know this is a style. Every man me can come here. You want him. You set an eye on him. You are looking behind my back. Eh? What kind of things you tell you boy how me not to be a liar
So
something?
if me can't get man, me not go try look your man them.
So you don't go out and look one man for
No,
yourself?
baby love, me can't do that. Me can't get up and go to
You love to take my man.
Nothing wrong with that.
You know I'm tired of this?
Me
That
tired
the boy
of
there you tell him, say, you make me get corrupt against him and me running away. The next boy and this one again. Okay. Me tired of it, you know? Me can't go live because I'm tired of it.
You mean me I can't go leave? And I look and your house alone, you know.
Also, the next man when me can come here, you go take him too.
If I saw well, I saw.
Alright. I am his sister. The one and only sister I love.
But me love it too, but me just need a man, me need comfort and I alone need comfort. You can't burn me out, man. I alone know, man. You can't see it.
Alright. So she want to play. Alright. Me have something for you. Yeah, master.
One.
Me there, you know, some way help me do something.
Rolling, every time you call me, you always want me to do something. You're walking.
I want to look a problem me have man with my sister. Every man me can come here, she want, you know. So more hear what you do for me. More you pretend.
No, listen. No, we can't talk over my phone. So
Alright, call it me, yeah. That would be better.
Alright.
I have something to fix the case, eh?
Yes, Daddy. I'm glad me get the chance to call the video now. Alright, later. Sis, me happy you see?
Happy birthday, sister.
Boy, sis, I wish you could have come, but Daddy can't take it to a week. I remember saying I know in data, so he can't go file for you.
Boy, me understand ya.
So you're not happy for me cheer up, no man?
Yes, sister, me happy for you, but you can't go up a mass jam for me go collect you know bucket of ice cream and our favorite flavor. You say you can't go do that for me and come back?
Alright, but me not really like opening at them the place that's still, you know. But since I you and it go make you happy, me I go up there for you.
Yeah man, thank you. Yes. Yeah, my sister dey on her way now. And me say, no make nothing happen to her no. And no lay a strand on her. Just hold on to her for a couple days. Just until the little file something expire. Yeah, can you know say when it expire, she not get it back. And she can't go over. Yeah, so just hold on to her. And you see if you ever do nothing to her, watch me and you.
Browning. Browning. Come here, man. You don't worry about that, man.
As me I say now, my sister, you don't know I look black one day.
Oh, Brittany?
Mm-hmm. Me care about 2 man come here. And you know say girl look them, run the one, I look the next one. Tell me now, what kind of style that? And she and my sister.
Well, I don't know if I tell you now because your blood sister, she shouldn't even think to even talk to none.
Exactly.
Maybe she had the bad blood one still, so you know, you have to understand, like.
She gonna tell me, say she like take my man them. So, like how she like take my man, here am what you do. Why me up here you want piece of money if you pretend to be my man, but you must pretend to you're rich. Isn't it?
Well, I'm not charging because I know you a long time, so you just give me a little change.
Alright. Me and your friend for a long time, you know, man. You know that.
You love money, man.
Love money, man. Cause last one I come here, you know, with that artist, the reason why she didn't want him, you know, because she tell me say he no have no money. So
That's how which artist?
David, one black boy when named Davidan, man.
Davidan?
Yes. Me did love you, boy, you know.
I wonder if you know say that the boy they have money.
Where?
That boy they boss say you know.
When? Other day, a couple days ago, me and him talk.
Go check him on YouTube. Davidan Vivo. Go on go look.
Cause at this morning, me and him talk.
Me say the man get contract and fly out.
He did get one emergency call same time to him.
I could ask the same one. Then that me try to show you. The man have money and now. One big contractor. Sign him. He have his management now. Soon he sign him. So you know what you do. Say no, say have his money and now. The man get $5 million in hand right away. And I perform music now.
Why?
But don't worry, me I can link you tomorrow.
Yeah, I deal with that for me because me have to get back at her.
Alright, no worry.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yeah, nice up.
Yeah, man. Yo.
Where's sister then?
I don't know if I tell you this no, but
What you tell me say?
me did hear her talk on her phone and I say she a go run away because she can't manage this life you know.
What kind of life? What you mean? What you mean?
Me don't know what I mean, that's what you tell me. So
Say we'll make a sister gonna
No, me no, I was sleeping.
Watch out the Jesus Christ.
I
What's this about me now?
Me don't know that.
No, mama, if you don't go to the police station, come. No police not come for me, no.
But then
No,
say I have to
come
wait 24 hours before
No, they can't tell me that.
Then go and tell your son.
No, me are gonna call them right now. Me are gonna call them. We can't take them as stress on Jesus Christ. When me go to my father so now?
Them say run away. Yeah.
Because then me I'm not because your sister walk to one, no comes in gone, I mean, I know which part in gone that one, no.
But mom, me no sleep with me, I up in me and no fish.
I really mean you thought so?
No. Me did just mumble to myself.
Oh, God Almighty, man. I'm a wicked to me, man. God, no. I'm a wicked, me not tell me, I'm a wicked man. After how me do for I'm really do this,
We not do no okay, me still there, you see? Me still there.
What you must know where your sister, the one
Me
there.
know, me did I sleep, me spread up in bed and she said she me hear her talk on her phone and I skin off her teeth, like donkey. So me say, what's happening? She said, none of your business. So me say, okay, if you say so. And then me say, me go sleep, just make sure you stay in her yard. And she say, she just kiss her teeth, flush her ear and invisible ear and just step out so.
So but not supporting Ghana and not
so, me no know you have to ask me about them done this.
Alright,
so.
I'm going to go ask you.
Alright.
Alright, I'm going to.
Yeah.
Sis, we have good news. Me know say me left for one bad patch, but me forgive you. See if a man them. Me not make no man come between us. See? Cause them the man them a waste man. Me glad see me run them way. Anyways, me need one rich man girl, one richer one.
So what you tell me say? So why you not call him over?
Me call him over, man. So girl in her money take pay like taxi. Let me just see him. Me call him now.
Call him.
Hey baby. You want to come over, my sister want meet you. You hurry up and come. Alright, love you.
Why you keep on tell the man and say your sister want to meet them? Why you can't say, baby come over so you say me want to meet them?
Because you literally want to meet them. He soon come still.
You know where?
Yeah, in way. He did drop me off here at Benton Drive. But he say in the garage right now, so he's not going to carry it. He's not going to drive it.
Oh. Yeah, got with things though, like always.
Yes, when you come. Sugar daddy be saying.
Sugar daddy? Yeah. So you don't want the man?
Of course we want him.
So why you say sugar daddy? Sugar daddy is someone
who...
who...
older than me. That's why I call him sugar daddy. Kind of up in age.
Look, you know what your girl them on TikTok. They only want the man money and have sex with the man. That's it. They don't want a relationship with the man. You are saying you want a relationship with the man. That means say man and your sugar daddy and him there. Like you know there. For understand what me I talk about. You're not gonna sugar daddy business you chat about. I just say you want a personal relationship.
Like this.
Baby?
What's up?
Brand new, just a come down from Dubai.
Pardon?
Yeah, latest Nike Air Force One. You know your boss?
But that's quality now because of like, don't touch it, don't touch it.
I'm gonna see something
The man, latest.
now. Can I take it off?
No, not really. No,
mine is fragile. It's white.
It is me alright, you know. And it's when they wear it, man, girl faint when they
And you wear a bracelet? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, baby.
I love you so
Who
much.
is she?
My sister.
Oh, hey.
How are you doing?
Oh, go on.
Good?
How far?
Yes. Your friends are come back.
My name is Joe, you know?
Well, my name is Brittany.
Oh, Britain.
So, you can give me your money.
Listen, I have a lot of cash, but you don't have to take my number and I'll give you some money.
We're ready right now. Ready. Oh, come on, sister.
You can DM me on WhatsApp, you know?
Alright, do you say your name again?
Joe.
Oh, Joe.
Mas Joe. Sugar Daddy.
Alright, Sugar Daddy.
And S and a D.
Alright.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Oh, baby.
Every day I love him more and more. Come for the walk out.
Huh? No, Mom, just want to see how I'm cool, you know?
Yeah, okay, sing I'm cool. Yeah, sing us your sing so it's fine. See, I'm just one. I'm here. Alright.
No, man, she already worked out a little time, baby. You can excuse your sis.
Oh, yeah.
One time to your sis, sorry. The job done, eh?
Yo,
Yeah, man. Make give me number, man.
you buy everything, girl. Oof. Yo, touch me for that again. Yeah, my bro, from you know, man. You so much for you know.
No, we not talk about the money yet.
Oh, we not done with it yet neither.
No, my shoes. How many daughter me buy that for, man? You expect some really? I'll give you that shoes, eh?
I'm not the same time lessons.
Oh, God. Outside. What you looking for? Look like a dog I come, you know, come. So I'll catch up now for the walk with you.
Come back. Come down top.
Yeah, but you do it already.
No, because I'm saying I'm not talking. Can I come back? There's no this I never said that.
Come
I
on.
make me here around.
Yeah, I'll carry on, man. Just give your sister a little breeze, you know?
Yeah, my sister.
You come back already?
Yeah, so I'm in the bathroom again.
Your earpod in the pan dresser. You can pick up for me, please?
Yeah, Pandresa.
The pan man, my pink earpod. Look pan good.
My killer just said this man I'm not gonna.
You just put it on.
Hey, she tell you that funny, man. Let's go on funny and go feed now.
I'm like, plus one, you want to go romance and I have.
You can't not know how don't do that. No matter how here.
Just go on, let's do it in a minute.
You better go and feed fast. Yeah, man, everything good.
Yo, thanks again, man.
Yeah.
Yo, top in eyes. Nah, there's nothing good. I did one day something long time. And them, a long time I ain't them at you. Yo, put on this. A bonus fish, you know, so just go on now, man. Ross, the girl really left you what I'm telling to stay so one more have to go college. Yeah, but bro, you know, say girl get rid of we have a problem. You have to go do something about it, you know. But don't call me name now, bro. You see me? Yeah, just do it right.
Where did the sister girl? You know, long mommy I look for your money are gone. Oh, money are being gone. Girl, you have us worried. Where were you?
And a man yard me gone and somebody kidnapped me.
Kidnap? Me look like an idiot to you? But kidnap a man here, you been there, you can't tell me nothing.
When mommy they come like you take me for idiot. When me I do a man yard for 2 days.
Take you for idiot. I got 5 senses. Me a no fool. Which part you can the other than man yard?
You know what? Me not no time for talk to you, you know. Me I go down.
Come man, cause you look how long mommy I'll go look for you.
What? We say Dubai. Me pop my suitcase right now. Can you come Dubai? No, you're not come. I'm so good. My pop my suitcase too. You're not come.
You mean you know?
You know, say last night me have one dream. Say me and the plane. And look, this man, you know, you tell me, say me and going. Oh God, it come like a dream come true.
Dream come true for who? For me and you? See you?
You know how much things we are gonna do at Dubai? Oh God, me have to talk more on the balcony and hotel and this. We are so God. Right now, me I have wet dreams.
What dream is that?
What is that to me?
We're back 154. I need to talk to you.
Roses, you don't have to do that for me. I love you too. So yes, we're going to come. Alright, tomorrow? Mama didn't even tell my sister. God. Anyway, she not gonna feel no way because she's there. She's there with the big horse. You got me some kids right now, babes. We're going tomorrow. Alright. Love you. Oh my God. Girl, we're going to Dubai tomorrow.
So you get so excited for and I go out with yourself.
You're not happy for me? So you see,
Look here, me make a promise, right? You tell me say before we come out of this together. I know you mean if you tell me say you go to Dubai, left me a Jamaica here.
No, still
Stop what up me no man.
Soon come back.
Me no business.
No,
Me no want you bring back nothing for me. Stay up there with a man. Enjoy yourself, know yourself. Yeah, go and pack a bag. Go and pack a bag.
But the good thing is you're there for the...
Yeah, good thing is more there in the house, not for him. That's the good thing.
What I look at me,
Let me go
to Dubai. They become who do I go to Dubai? Oh my God.
Stop one up on me and go on, man. Go on.
Me no see a vex, but
you
this
know
when
this year you're the only one that just happy right now. The last time I'm happy, me I smile, me I king teeth. I the only one that king teeth, so go on, my girl, please, be able to go on.
me no see a vex, but when me come back and bring back something for you, I go happy.
Me say if you go on, me no want nothing from you, me good.
You know, say me love you. You're my only sister, I love you. So stop going, so.
Go
you
on.
must happy for me.
Me happy for you, go on.
I pack my bag and come back.
Yeah, go on.
God, why? Why me, God, why? Why my sister always get every good man in her life? I have everything good in her life and me can't get it. But I know what? It nah go so. Sister and a sister, make it read her. She nah leave to see her flight tomorrow. I mean it. God, when me do this, please forgive me.
Overdose here, Lord. Something I can see.
Sis! Sis! Sis!
Yeah.
say yes, yeah, go over, leave me alone out here in the separation here. But we did make some juice last night and would I like to give us some. If I like it, I can make some more tonight for you. Pick up your flight tomorrow.
Yeah, miss your son.
Oh, my sister. Alright. Drink some now? How it is?
Nice.
Drink up everything, man. Come help you. If you treat her nice, like I'm say, I'll go tomorrow. So, you know, make sure say, you know, me feed her nice and yeah. No waste nothing, you know, don't make none drop. Alright. Yeah. You know, say the juice we, you know. Or sit there and the bottom, second under the bottom, so I have to mix out everything good for your drinking. So you're going to have a drink of juice now, man?
Wait, what can I do? You know, I feel like I want to sit down.
You know, I want to sit down, man. I juice make her feel so nice. And nice to feel nice, man. Stop going so. Mr. Come now, man. Yeah, let me talk with you. Ooh. Oh God. Hello?
Wow,
Me there, something need to talk to you about. I can come over?
of course, baby. As long as the sister is there, we can come over.
Come over right now, emergency.
Alright, anyway. Alright.
Alright, yeah.
Mommy,
Oi.
you could never believe the miracle Jesus did. Yes.
So, miss, young miss, where you come from?
Mommy, she sent me for ice cream.
Ice cream missing for 2 days?
Right. Mommy, she sent me for ice cream.
No, man, you make people in my place to come and say me wicked and me make a gone man.
Mommy, she sent me for ice cream and me get takeaway.
Ice cream, who take away?
Yes. Mommy, me no know.
You can give me that story, like I mean, I believe that story that me love.
Mommy, me no know.
What do you mean? If you get take away, you must know who take away. You just get take away and just come back so what?
Yeah.
When I understand that way.
Ma, she time travel, she teleport. Click, click.
Well, you have to go and show which part you get taken from. Because me, I bring you go to the police then because me don't want no police to ask no question. I beg you please, come. You don't tell me that you go turn and bright, come. You want to be here for me to here.
To Jamaica, hot, you know, man. I can't, you know, button up my clothes.
I should have another one. My sister.
What does?
You know, suicide. She committed suicide.
No! You can't promise.
I'm not telling no lie. I'm gonna tell you what happened. What really happened. My sister is like she have 5 man here, right? 5 man one time here, and it seems that she can't take the pressure no more. And to her look like a drink, she drinks something and kill herself.
I'm not blowing it.
Yeah, tell me now. Me will come here, me never dey here when time everything take place. Me come here and see the 5 man them here, me run them out run them out
If you know your sister wanna kill himself.
Me know my sister good. She kill herself over man.
I like that. Well,
You don't believe me?
Proof.
Come and show you.
Cause Jesus Christ. I must joke. Are you killing sister?
What do you mean by me kill my sister?
No man, you can't tell the truth, man. Are you kill her sister?
I don't kill her, me I target you, I wanna kill my sister, me love her.
This girl I wanna fight it. Why would I want to kill himself? Over who?
Oh my man!
She afraid when I can't take the pressure no more. She can't take the stress. She get to her brain, so she kill herself. See cup in her sink there.
You don't even want to touch a cup. Listen, alright, let me tell you everything now. What you need to know about your sister. You know why you know that she want to kill herself? Your sister pay me to pretend to be rich. I'm not rich.
What?
I'm not rich. I don't come from Dubai. I don't take plane like no taxi. I don't have it. I barely can pay my fare sometime. I borrow people glasses.
So what I say now? What me I go do? What me I go do?
What you gonna do? Listen what me I tell you say you gonna do now. You are going to church to tell pastor say you kill your sister.
No, me can't do it. Them all lock me up.
I never send you to a police station, I send you to church.
But the church will call police for me.
If you're faithful to them, they will call it a sacrifice. But listen what I try to show you. You can't be saying kill your sister because of man, because of money.
Fan me, please. Me not feel good. Me not feel good.
Hello, I'm not a fan. Me there hot myself. See them, me hot like a fire. No, boy, you're bad blood, you know. I saw my friend, bro. We shall get at the river. We shall gather at the river. Oh, God.
Tanya, what the bug?
Sister, I want you.
Sit down, yes. You know, say, turn to me. You know, say, that's what you tell me.
What you have to tell me?
Nobody here, me or nothing, no, but remember the other day when they did kidnap?
Yeah.
And I tell her, say, man, you're the guy.
Yeah.
But you know, say, I didn't set up like the door so that's enough fly out. Because your father take care of you, while mine just sperm donor and gone. You know? So, because you did that go, they want to go with me. And if you go, they don't tell us say, because you don't live nice. And you don't sit down out like, you know, thank you.
At least nothing no do me. And the man no hurt me. But me still love you. You are gonna make it on your own here?
Yeah, man.